Migrating from one software to another can get troublesome in most cases, but it's other way around with FluentCRM, as you can easily import all your contacts with a few clicks. We'll import a CSV file containing 100 contacts as an example. Let's start at FluentCRM dashboard. Now to add contacts, go to Contacts from the top and select All Contacts. Now click on Import from the top right corner. It says CSV file here. You have the option to choose another source if you would like. For now, select the CSV file. Now hit Next and then choose your CSV delimiter. Select comma separated. Before uploading your file, you can download the sample file right down here. Ensure that these headers are present in your CSV file, otherwise it may fail to import. Now click on Upload or drag and drop your CSV file here. You must set up the field mapping between your CSV file fields and FluentCRM fields. Our example CSV file has 9 simple fields. Your CSV might have more. Map them accordingly. Your CSV data is in the left column and the FluentCRM fields are in the right. Select the list and tags for the imported contacts. Over here, we have Update Subscribers. Select Yes if some contacts already exist in your contact database and you want to update contact information. For now, let's choose No. You need to give the new subscribers a status as well. Choose the status wisely. If you have permission to send marketing emails, you can set the status to subscribed. Else, set pending to send them a double opt-in email. Click on Confirm Import. Your contacts has been successfully imported to FluentCRM. Now all your users are on the system, and that's why we said the migration procedure is super easy. You can also create contacts manually. To do so, select Contacts once more. This time, click on Add Contacts. Say it Mr. X or his email address, date of birth, phone number, etc. You might add these users to the existing list, tags, and status. Enable double opt-in email confirmation to be on the safer side. It will take proper information from your users before sending emails. Save you from legal trouble. Last but not least, migration from another CRM is also possible using API. You can easily migrate from MailChimp, ConvertKit, MailerLite, Drip, ActiveCampaign, etc. CRM systems. Say you use MailChimp and want to move all your subscribers to FluentCRM. All you have to do is click on Import. Pick Import from other platforms and then choose your current CRM. We'll select MailChimp. Hit Next. Use the API key of your MailChimp account to configure MailChimp. To locate the API key, go to Extras and then choose API keys from your MailChimp account. This might be different for other platforms. You can check their documentation to find the API key. Finally, click on Continue for mapping data. Now it's time to enjoy the cake and keep on enjoying it until the next video drops.